welcome to my channel Tech. I'm Shan. Today I'm going to bring you a new episode that I'm going to assemble this gadget. This gadget is the water pressure, we call as a water pressure kit. Normally we are fixing along with the water pump so that you can control automatically your water pump. Normally this gadget is work as a control unit to control the water pump. It's like automatic gadget. So I'm going to assemble this gadget and I'm going to explain you the mechanism system, how the inside, the parts and all, so that you will know how this gadget is working. First I will remove this wire. It's connected with the electronics, so I will remove this wire. Easily you can remove, there's a one clip here, you can remove this clip. And there is, this is the pump connection and this is the line. Here there is one gadget, like an electronic gadget is there. So now I'm going to remove this, all the screws. There is one spring here, so this the one is work as a, like to control the pressure. This one is spring. Now I'm going to remove this gauge. This is the gauge. Now I'm going to remove this control. It's a very simple gadget, simple unit, this one. There is nothing. This one we can remove like that. And you can take this one. This is the unit, it's a sensor. This one we call as a sensor. It's a very simple gadget, only these are the things is available inside. Now I'm going to fix the motor to show you how it's works. Here line, we can fix it. The power line is here. So I have fixed the power. So power is coming from this line and is coming to the motor from this unit. I will show you now. I will turn it on. The motor is working now. The motor is working. This is the sensor. I'll show you this one. It's cut off. If you can see, this is the sensor. It's working. Yeah. When I take it off, it's working. Slowly I will take it out. It's cut off. I put, it's working. and this is very difficult, so it's a very strong spring.